Bullying or cyberbullying could cost Tennessee teens their car keys under a new law. The legislation would require a judge to suspend a student's driving privileges for a year if they're adjudicated for bullying or cyberbullying. But one expert worries it might not have the impact lawmakers intended. Sticks and stones may break bones, but in the digital age, words can wreck lives.
Tremendously traumatic to all of a sudden see, for instance, pictures or horrible things said about you spread quickly.
Roger Dinwiddie, CEO of Students Taking a Right Stand Nashville, or STARS, sees the problem firsthand. He's a consultant in bullying prevention and intervention.
Traditional bullying, obviously similar impacts. However, at least you can get away from it, okay, in most cases when it's more traditional forms of bullying. But with cyber, there's not much escape.
A problem so bad, Tennessee lawmakers are trying to step in, passing a bill that will require a judge to suspend a student's driving privileges for 1 year if they're adjudicated for bullying or cyberbullying.
I think this is a deterrent. A lot of kids nowadays wants to get their license when they get 16, and it's an incentive not to bully other people.
Students could still drive to school, work, and church under the legislation as long as it's their first offense. Governor Bill Lee just signed it into law, but Dinwiddie has his concerns.
Just removing a driver's license doesn't seem to me to really address some of the issues because the majority of bullying that occurs, by the way, is not necessarily at the high school level. Particularly when kids are able to drive.
According to Dinwiddie, the highest rates of bullying happen in 4th, 5th, and 8th grades, when students aren't driving anyway. The legislation also requires a judge to act, even if it's a student's first offense, which Dinwiddie says is a little extreme.
The bottom line is, if it is truly bullying, it is extremely harmful to whether it's in person or online, and to me, the legislators get credit for at least being concerned about that issue for sure.
This law will go into effect July 1st. Last year, lawmakers passed legislation defining bullying as an act that substantially interferes with another student's educational benefits, opportunities, or performance.